Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We talked last week about how we were going to get a resolution out of this move. We didn't know at the time whether it was going to be up or down. Well, it's certainly up. You're in day 4 of an upper band ride. The Bollinger Bands aren't in any great, they're 5.2. This really didn't bear out of any band, compression, at least on the daily chart. What you're just seeing is an inability by the bears to be able to take out the 9-day or the 20-day. So prior to talking about the resolution, we were talking about this move, or this range between the 9-day and the 20-day. With the 9-day as resistance, and the 20-day as support. Back on the 25th, the bears tried to convert the 20-day, or the daily midband. All they did, though, was go down to the 50 and hold it, get back up in the range, didn't spend long in the range. The next day they popped up above, consolidated a little bit, and then broke out of that. And we've traded as high as 40.74 half. So they didn't wait around for anybody yesterday. We bought the open, literally bought the open, about 39.5. Some people got 40. Some people chased it up into 40, 41, but didn't really matter. They ran it up into the 70 to 72 area. Now, once we got into the 72 area, the whole afternoon was just kind of a slog. I don't think the bulls didn't really have any confidence to take it further. The bears were too traumatized to take it down. So we just kind of hung out through the afternoon. You can see that here on the hourly chart. This is your overnight. This is, right here, bell rings, off it goes. And then we just kind of consolidate up here. They print 74 half, they bring it back in, and we've been just kind of hanging out here with the daily pivot there, which is your purple dotted line, acting as support there at 40.55. You've got volume weighted average price today at 61. That hourly mid band is 64. And the way I feel about it is this. These consolidations or these mini pauses keep breaking out to the upside and creating new all-time highs. You saw it. Well, this is the original consolidation. That was just an expansion. Consolidation, all-time high, keeps going. Consolidation, does it again. Consolidation, does it again. Consolidation, I don't know. These bands are pretty tight. Should get some kind of a resolution. I think it's you're either going to get one extreme or the other. Either you're going to get a resolution today that's going to pop up over the top of 74 half, and the more it does that, the more and more something like 4100 becomes likely, simply because it's next. Does the market need to take a break? Sure, okay, breaks are good, but there's two kinds of breaks. The market could simply hang out all day. It's done 135 handles since Wednesday, and we could consolidate for an entire day. And if it does that, my suggestion is you don't do much. There's been plenty of handles to grab in the last 4 to 5 sessions, and there's no need to force a square peg into a round hole if the tape decides that it wants to put in just a choppy consolidation type of a day. Or it could retrace, a little bit. Certainly, you could see the argument for it going back to the consolidation area from Sunday into Monday. I would caution people, like I always do, against assuming that a top is in, or we're overbought, and we're overextended, and we're all these things that people tell themselves that we are, and we are set up for a significant pullback, and all this nonsense that people tell themselves. And then it keeps them from sticking with the trend of buying dips and grabbing the handles that are to be made out there, which right now there's a lot more up handles than there are down handles. And then waiting for price to tell you that the market is coming in, and then trading that. That's what we do, and that's what we've done for going on 10 years now. And it works a lot better than throwing contracts at every high that you see and trying to declare a top. Because that's not trading. That's called wanting to be right. And throwing contracts at stuff because you want to be right and you want others to be wrong tends to end badly. Not for them, but for you. So don't do that stuff. But this is like your typical top caller type of a tape. We're riding the upper band. The thing will be done going up when it's done going up. When it's done going up, then you can short it. You want to learn how to do that? Come on in. It's a great group of people. We would love to meet you. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.